homolytic and heterolytic bond cleavages. In chemical reactions, covalent bond consisting of a pair of electrons between two atoms may break in two ways. First, symmetrical or homolytic bond cleavage. Second, unsymmetrical or heterolytic bond cleavage. Symmetrical or homolytic bond cleavage. When a covalent bond breaks in such a manner that each atom gets one electron, then this process is called homolytic bond cleavage or homolysis or symmetrical fission. The resulting neutral species are called free radicals. Homolysis of a pi bond results into the formation of a pi radical species. Second is unsymmetrical or heterolytic bond cleavage. In contrast, if a covalent bond breaks in such a manner that both the electrons are retained by one of the atoms, then this process is called heterolytic bond cleavage or heterolysis or unsymmetrical fission. That atom which loses the electrons become electron deficient and acquire positive charge, whereas the other atom which gains electrons become electron rich and acquires negative charge. Such charge species are called ions. It may again be noted that the heterolytic fission of a pi bond results into the formation of bipolar species. Types of reagents. Generally, three types of reagents are encountered in organic reaction. First, nucleophiles. Second, electrophiles. Third is free radicals. Nucleophiles. Reagents that are nucleus loving or electron rich or electron donors are called nucleophiles. They attack in the molecule where electron density is low. These could be negatively charged or neutral like Lewis bases. Negatively charged nucleophiles are H-, F-, Cl-, Br-, I-, OH-, etc. Neutral nucleophiles are H2O, ROH, ROR, RSH, RSR, etc. Effect of substituents. Presence of electron donating plus I groups like alkyl group enhance the nucleophilic power, that is, nucleophilicity of the nucleophiles due to greater negative charge. For example, ethoxide C2H5O- is a stronger nucleophile than hydroxide OH-. Order of strength of some of the most common nucleophiles is electrophiles. Reagents that are electron loving, that is, which are electron deficient, are called electrophiles. They attack at the electron rich center in the molecule. These could be positively charged or neutral like Lewis acids. Positively charged electrophiles are H+, Cl+, Br+, I+, R+, NO+, etc. Neutral electrophiles are BgCl2, BF3, AlCl3, FeCl3, ZnCl2, etc. Presence of electron withdrawing -I group increases the positive charge and hence make it a stronger electrophile. Order of strength of some common electrophiles is free radical. Reagents which surrender its free electron to form a covalent bond is called a free radical. These are neutral species. Examples are H free radical, Cl free radical, Br free radical, I free radical, etc. The following positively charged species have been classified as only cations and not as nucleophiles or electrophiles because they have complete octets and therefore are unable to form covalent bonds.